Introducing Shop Manager by Identifix, an innovation in auto repair shop management solutions. Identifix Shop Manager empowers you to be ready for the business of today and tomorrow. Ready to evolve and move the vehicle repair industry forward, where minor adjustments and a focus on customer experiences make all the difference. Imagine a future where Identifix Shop Manager is helping support your auto repair shop. Create smooth-running optimized processes by pairing Identifix Direct Hit Pro and Identifix Shop Manager, allowing you to maximize the throughput of repair orders with quicker turnaround times and minimal delays. Using smart logic and automated processing to improve your parts gross profit. With our cloud-based software, Identifix Shop Manager lets you concentrate on your customers, while precise planning results in better use of your skilled technicians. Track your profitability and cash flow with Identifix Shop Manager's integration with QuickBooks Online and other popular accounting platforms. Ready-to-use reports show where your shop is making the most money and areas for improvement. Customers' confidence in your recommendations will increase. Your company's reputation will grow stronger with every customer review. Identifix Shop Manager is optimizing your shop's performance, helping you delight customers with a complete digital experience where customers approve work from their mobile devices and make payments remotely. We make it easy. Get up and running quickly, whether you are new to shop management or switching from another provider. No downtime, no lost data, and personalized onboarding. The industry is moving to the technology of tomorrow. Transform with us today. Shop Manager by Identifix.